warning.
Okay, and the warning should only be issued if a citizen is committing a crime on public property. So it could be any whim that anybody has in the public office when they don't want transparency.
Correct.
That's tyranny, sir.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Arbitrary tyranny.
Have a good day. I hope wish you best of luck.
Honor your oath.
I do honor my oath.
Not now.
Okay.
Rights Crispy here at the tax collector in Imperial Polk County. It's really called that. And this used to be the original Publix, I believe. Anyways, I'm here with News Now South Florida and Eyes on the State. Checking to see what we the people can see. Wow. Oh my gosh.
This guy just told me I can't record over there. I said, is it posted? He said, it's the rules, okay? Well, see? Yep.
Hey.
That's 1831. That's station 31.
You should go.
Now serving ticket G1670 at station 24.
She's been watching us. The girl in the red flannel. Yeah.
Hi, if you don't mind
Hi.
passing through those stores right there.
I'm sorry?
You're not allowed to be back in this area. You can be out there, but you can't come back.
Oh, is
here
this
when it's
restricted?
personal. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see any signage.
Yeah, we have our policy. I can give it to you if you want to step back out.
Yes, please.
Yeah, go ahead. You'll step out.
Okay. You're going to get
This
the policy?
is a secure area. Yes.
Oh, okay. It's not clearly marked, so I have to see that.
I should get it for you.
Okay. I'll wait. Is she coming? Okay. Hey,
You're with this other gentleman over here, correct?
I'm an independent journalist, sir. I'm not
With the
with.
other guy with the camera?
I'm not with anyone.
Can we get another copy? Okay. Here's the copy of the rules that...
What's your name and badge
requested.
number, please?
Andrew, 6322.
Thank you.
The gentleman over here also requested it, so I'll get him one as well.
Yeah, I just didn't see any clear markings that it's restricted. That's why I just wanted to see.
No
So,
problem. That's why we printed it
so
out.
this says that through the corridor anywhere, like, I'm just,
You just can't go back there because of confidential information.
and it says
Not
that
with
in
the
here. It says that in here.
Yes, this is for your viewing pleasure. You can read it at your leisure. You can take this with you.
Okay. Well, the reason we do this to challenge, things,
I have no problem with that.
and this is not satisfying me. I don't see that this is saying that I'm entering a restricted area there. You understand?
I'm not the manager. I don't make the rules here.
Okay.
Here's your copy.
All right. Well, you're a law enforcement officer, right? Let's enforce the law, sir. Not rules. Not a rule enforcement officer. He doesn't want to hear it.
Now serving ticket G16. Now serving ticket G1626 at station 2.
Sir, quick question. Can you show me in here what I'm supposed to find that says that that's a restricted area? Can you point that out, please? Because I really don't know. I couldn't see it.
Public areas of issuance include the lobby area and areas forward of the sliding glass doors.
Okay. All
Okay?
right.
Excluding areas behind closed doors where customer transactions occur.
Right.
Which is behind these doors here. There is no videotaping on side A. Side A.
Okay.
Side B.
Right.
Behind the scheduling area, which is right over here.
Okay.
Or in the testing area located behind sliding glass doors, which is behind here in the center.
All right.
Okay? Unless pre-approved by DHSMB.
Okay. So there is a state statute or on
That's
here.
a policy.
Oh, okay. So it's not a law.
Did they send it to me?
Right. Yeah. We have to challenge that.
Okay.
We follow the law, not policies that are for you.
Unfortunately,
This
so,
is
like,
really for you, though.
We correct. That's our policy.
That's for
And
you
it's
guys.
Based on the Driver's License Identification Act, which is also quoted on here, I believe.
Right, and that the onus is on you.
Privacy Protection Act.
Right, that is on you to protect it. We got to make sure that you flip files over, that you have the screen covering the computer that we can't see. So that this applies to you, not us.
Okay. So I got with my manager as well as my director in the back about you guys. So we're happy to have you here.
Yeah.
Feel free to be here.
It's we the people who pay for
Correct.
this.
Yeah. We're happy to have you here. Just like I said, though, if you guys do go behind the closed doors, then we would have to ask you to leave at that point. Okay. So like I said, you're happy.
Okay.
You're more than welcome to videotape, do whatever you want to do out
But if if we pass through those doors, would we be committing a crime?
You'll be asked to leave, and then if you don't leave at that point, you'll be committing a crime of trespass.
Okay, so to be asked to leave from public property, doesn't one have to commit a crime?
I'm not going to ask you to leave because you'd be violating our policy.
Well, that's not a crime though. But that's not a crime.
I'm not going to get in an argument with you.
No, we're not going to argue. I'm just trying to ask for clarification because I do want to exercise my rights to the fullest. I don't want to be infringed on my rights. You understand?
I'm okay with that.
So these policies are not the law. I follow the law. You are a law enforcement officer, not a policy enforcement officer. So
I'm not going to debate this with you.
Okay.
That's what's going to happen today.
So if I go in there, you're going to give me a criminal trespass warning.
I'm going to give you a verbal trespass warning, and if you don't leave after I ask you to leave, then you'd be
Then I'll be
violating a
criminal
crime
trespass?
by trespassing
Right.
after the warning.
Okay, and the warning should only be issued if a citizen is committing a crime on public property. So it could be any whim that anybody has in the public office when they don't want transparency.
Correct.
That's tyranny, sir.
I'm sorry.
Arbitrary tyranny.
Have a good day. I wish you best of luck.
Honor your oath.
I do honor my oath.
Not now.
You are a tyrant.
coming through.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I need you to leave.
Okay, you want me to leave?
I do want you to leave.
Okay,
Please
don't
leave.
don't put your hands on
Please
me.
leave. Please leave.
Okay, he didn't touch me.
Please leave.
All right. Are you giving me a trespass warning?
I'm asking you to leave.
Are you giving me a verbal trespass warning?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm asking you to leave.
And your name and badge number again
Andrew
for
6322.
Okay.
We told you not to come back here. You did. Please.
Right, and that's not a crime.
It's putting other people's information, confidential, private information, at risk.
Okay.
Okay.
So
We're not
are you,
crime.
Please leave.
if you give me a trespass warning, I will leave.
It's a verbal trespass warning. That's what we do in the county. There's nothing written.
There's no written trespass warning?
No, sir.
It doesn't
Oh.
have to be.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be.
All right. So I'm putting you on notice. You're violating my civil rights.
Okay.
This is prior restraint.
Please. Please.
You lose your qualified immunity in this situation. You know that?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for this information.
Yeah, you're on notice.
Thank you.
Okay. You don't mind?
I'm telling you to leave.
Okay. All right.
You
Just
were
clarifying.
asked not to go back here to protect
And-
people's confidential private
And it's my
information
right
with the
to
camera, and
it's
you
my
did.
right to see how we are spending our money. And you are
And
blocking.
You can go back and see that without a camera.
No, I need to record it. I have a bad memory and I suck at drawing.
Tyler, I need Tracy or somebody. If you guys want him to leave, I'll make it happen.
Oh wow,
Soliciting a
did you just
trespass.
solicit a trespass? That's against the law.
That is against the law, sir. You just
I work at
violated
the
law.
discretion of the tax collector here today.
Okay, and you do not solicit a trespass.
I work for them at this point.
Yeah,
You
but
just
Yes, I
solicited
do.
a trespass. You said,
Yeah.
get Tracy. I'll make them leave if you want. That's soliciting a trespass.
Bye.
I don't think he understands how law
That's
works.
right, Western Slope. He just did it live on camera.
He did on a live feed right there.
estamos en vivo.
You should knock, see if officer.
Esto es un
Yeah, he just locked it up.
servicio público que nosotros hemos pagado. Y es como yo diga, es como usted diga aquí, no es como él diga. Nosotros somos los que mandamos.
He's coming back now.
You locked customers out of that office.
Yeah, deputy, there's a customer.
No, she's
Miss,
gone. She went
oh, she left.
Yeah, we have multiple doors, but I'm protecting their private information right now.
I'm not trying to get any private
Gentlemen, how's
information.
everything going?
Great.
My name's Chris Jaramillo.
I'm Finn,
Pleasure to meet you.
Mr. Jaramillo.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Jaramillo?
Yeah, Jaramillo.
Cool.
Pleasure to meet you. How can I help you, gentlemen?
Well, I just wanted to make sure everybody's taken care of in a timely fashion. I don't want to get any private information.
No doubt about
And the deputy just gave me a verbal trespassing, which
So
is really not allowed. There's a policy that applies to all of the employees here
Okay.
that the onus to protect private information is on you. If I happen to get it on my camera, which I'm not trying to do,
Okay.
that's a violation of the Privacy Act that you have committed or your employees have committed. I
sir.
cannot be committing that crime because I wasn't given the training
Okay.
such as like HIPAA law in a hospital or whatever. So Smith versus City of Cumming, this is very important, sir. 11th Circuit Court, District Court of Appeals, covers Georgia and Florida. City of Cumming in Georgia. Smith went in there. He says he wants to record government employees on the government dime for matters of public interest, and that's what we're doing. So prior restraint is what this deputy just committed. He just stopped me. He says, "I'm not leaving until you give me a written trespass warning, or you actually want to threaten me with arrest. If you're threatening me with arrest, I'll leave right now.
Okay.
But I'm not going to leave until I get my story, and my rights should not be infringed."
Okay, well, I appreciate it. Thanks for giving the heads up on that.
Thank you,
So
sir.
our main concern is we don't, obviously the front area
Right.
is all fair game. I think you understand that. Anywhere around there, especially around the scheduling desk, there's also private information. So I think you got that. We don't want, understanding is that you've already went inside here.
Yes.
We don't want you going inside there.
Okay.
Obviously, there's private information. You're aware, Social Security, driver's license information. Driver's license are actually handed out in the testing area. So
Right.
that's in here, anywhere around here, racing this way. That's fair game, and we want to make sure you feel that your rights are not violated. I appreciate you.
And just for fun and for free, a little bit of education. The one thing that you can do to stop me and stop anybody else that comes in here with a camera is put a little sign right here that says restricted area. That's all you have to do is make a sign.
I
That's
appreciate
it.
that, and that's something we'll
It'll
take.
save you a lot of money out of your own pocket.
Well, I appreciate you giving me the information. You say just another sign.
Yeah.
Okay, I can appreciate that.
All right.
All right. Thank
That's
you
it.
very much for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Jaramillo.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Honor your oath.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
No hard feelings.
You got any hand sanitizer?
Oh, am I gross?
You have some in your squad car?
There's some up here on the
Oh,
counter.
can we have some? Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Appreciate that.
I don't have any. I'm sorry.
No, there's none up here.
You can ask one of these ladies if they have any. I don't have any.
Can I have some hand sanitizer, please? I see a big jug of it right back there. Oh, you got some here? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. What's your name now?
Pamela.
Pamela. Stay professional. Professional. And have a terrific 2020. Yeah. You look good. You look really good.
Thank you.
Was he able
She's
to get you what you needed, sir?
Stellar employee right there.
Okay, appreciate
And
that.
he was very helpful as well.
Okay.
He,
Tyler.
Yeah, he broke it down for me. I was just wondering, where does it say this, and he showed me.
Okay. And I appreciate it. Thank you for the suggestion on the.
Yeah, that's all it takes. Yep. By law, we follow the law, and we're looking for rights violations, along with other violations.
Okay.
And
All right.
thanks again.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah, I've always gone in there when I needed to.
Right. Anywhere that the public is allowed to go,
Yeah.
so am I with my camera.
Exactly.
Freedom of the press.
Exactly.
The first
I've been
law.
in there. Hey, I've just gone in there to look around before.
Right. Right. Yeah, and I don't want any private information for what.
Plus, there's a bathroom back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got to go in there to go to the bathroom.
Oh yeah.
There's another bathroom.
That makes sense. Yeah. All right, folks.
Hey, thanks a lot, man.
All right. Bye.